Hello, and today we're going to take a look at some of my recent drawings I've done in my little sketchbook. And I've got one over here that is just on a torn out sheet of paper. This is on the Strathmore Sketch. It is 100 sheets, 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And this is a fine-tooth surface sketch paper. It works pretty good for archival type of stuff. It's not really intended for that, but I'm not too worried when I'm doing drawings in here because they'll last quite a while. But anyways, we'll get into first page, and did this one about a week ago. I just used a Sharpie marker for this. And tell me what you think of these. Like, what do you see in these? When I see it, to me it looks like some kind of sun spiral or something. I'm not even really sure what that is over there. And it looks like something that's like has heat coming off of it. Not really sure. Just my crazy abstract stuff. And lots of stippling. And this one here is just a drawing I did of a guitar. Did that one. These are all in order. The first one I did before this one here. But this one I did the next day. Just using a Sharpie. I like using a Sharpie in this sketchbook because it really takes the marker really well. It like soaks the marker up really good, so I don't have to press a lot when I'm drawing. And I'm able to do some shading, as you can see here on the guitar. I just go across it really fast with the Sharpie, and I can get that look that you usually can't get unless you're using a ballpoint pen. Like this one, my favorite. Or if you're using a graphite pencil. But this one was a drawing that I started because I thought about the time when I used to have a guitar, and I was like, I'll just draw something abstract. And this is of some strange war-looking scene where there's like a big Titanic-looking ship over here, like a clock tower, tree, smoke and everything. And that's the letters, the word war right there. Some like leaves or something. There's like a little tank that's like floating away. But yeah, I like doing these where things are like tearing apart. I've been practicing doing those a lot. I think they're pretty fun to do. It's kind of my artistic style I've been developing. And this is just of some strange fish looking thing. Because I saw a video about a week ago of some person that drew some like sea turtle or something. And so I want to go ahead and draw something that was related to the ocean or water or something like that. And I just started, got my Sharpie, started doing random stuff. And a lot of times I don't know what to draw, so I'll just like make some random lines in the paper, then I'll branch out from there and just add some things. And yeah, so that's what it turned out to be. It's a really weird looking fish, but I guess that's what you get when you're doing abstract. So that's what I've done so far this week in that one. And then this one was done with ballpoint pen, and it's of Russell Crowe. I don't know if anybody's seen the movie Gladiator. I think a lot of people have. But I just used a big ballpoint pen for this, and when I'm drawing these, I'll take the pen, I'll just kind of scribble all over the place where I think things should go. I'll kind of block things in to get everything put in place. And then after that, I'll just go in and I'll add more of the details, keep building it up and building it up more, and keep layering the ink on it. Because the first part of it is just scribbling all over the place, and after that, I'll add some cross-hatching in to add more detail. And I think I'm improving quite a bit at this style. I'm not sure if it's a style someone else has already developed or not, but I was always struggling really hard to draw anything free-handed. So one day I was kind of aggravated with it, and I was pretty upset trying so hard. And so I just grabbed the ballpoint pen and I started scribbling off the paper and ended up drawing a portrait. But yeah, I did this one April 30th. So it's already been 2 weeks ago I did this one. That went by quick. Yeah, this is just it's on a cardstock paper. The paper that I'm using is a slightly rough surface, and the reason I'm doing that is because when I'm drawing on it, I'm kind of scribbling everywhere to get some different details in. I seem to be able to draw better with a ballpoint pen when doing portraits if the surface is slightly bumpy. I'm not sure why. It's like I have this really strange way of remembering it better, of where I'm at in the drawing by touch. It's complicated. I'll have to think about that and get back with you guys on it later to try and explain it better. But that's the only way I can think of explaining it right now. But yeah, those are the drawings I've done recently in the past couple of weeks, and I've got some more I'll show everyone later. But for now, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about any more of my drawings or any suggestions, go ahead and let me know, and you all have a good day.